Hi, welcome to Ecology. In this video, we are going to create this exercise number 48. And first of all, we will create this view in top plane and we will extrude it by using extruded boss. And then after, we will create this cutout by using extruded cut and using fillet. So let's create on SolidWorks. Click New, click Part, and click on OK. Now click here on top plane and go to Sketch. Select a circle and draw 3 circles. Convert this into construction. This is 75 mm diameter and this has 60 mm diameter and the inner one has a 50 mm diameter. Now select circle again and draw one circle here. Diameter of this circle is 10 mm. And now select again circle and draw one another circle, and diameter of this circle is 16 mm. Now here select center line and draw one center line like that. Now select dynamic mirror entity and select this one. Now select line command and draw line like that. Now delete this tangency and the angle between these two is 30 degree. And now go to trim this one, this one, this one and this one. Now go to here circular sketch pattern. Okay, wait, we need to trim this one also. Now go to circular sketch pattern, select this all geometries, and now here apply 3 instances. Apply OK. Now go to features and select extrude boss. Select this contour, this one, and this one, and here select mid plane, and it is 20 mm, sorry. Okay, so now select top plane again, go to sketch, select center line and draw one horizontal center line like that. Now again select dynamic mirror entity and select this line. Now select line command and draw lines like that and select. Now select smart dimension and angle between these two is 90 degree. Apply OK. Now exit first and select the fillet. Select this one and it is 8 mm fillet. Select full preview. Apply OK. Now go to extruded cut and select this sketch and it's 10 mm with mid plane. Apply OK. Now select here again fillet and select this last option. Select this face, and this face and apply OK. Now again select fillet, select this face, select this face and select this face. Apply OK. Now select here axis and select this inner face, so we get the axis here. Now select the circular pattern. In direction, select this axis first and go to feature, select these 3 and apply OK. Now hide the axis. Now we need to apply periums. Just go to body and select this one and Now it's our isometric view. Now our exercise has been completed. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.